Hi, this is Jeannie with Four Paws Acupuncture, and today I'm making this video so that I can share it with my human patients on how to light a Moxa stick. Moxa or moxibustion is used in traditional Chinese medicine to warm certain acupuncture or acupressure points or meridians or areas of the body. So it is a dried herb that usually comes in a rolled, almost like a cigar, depending on what kind of form you get. There's other forms too, but what I'm showing you today is the stick moxa. This is not smokeless. It does smell like you're doing bong hits. So that's why I'm out here in my sun porch because it's too windy outside for me to film this today. I'd never get this thing lit. So moxa is a dried herb. It's Artemisia vulgaris, however you want to pronounce it, also known as mugwort or wormwood. Some people call it chrysanthemum weed as well. And it's very effective to warm certain points. It's great for, I use it for breached babies. If someone comes in and their baby's breached and they're about to, go into labor maybe in the next couple weeks, they come in and we do some moxa on certain points to turn the baby around. I use this for women who bleed heavily or people who are always cold, their hands and feet are always cold, or also neuropathy made worse by cold weather. Now, I do use this on animals, mostly dogs and cats, not goats, because they would eat it. But you have to be very, very careful because when you light it, sometimes the ashes fly around and you don't want their fur catching fire. So I'm not going to show you how to do that in this video, but I have done it in the past on my own cat and several of my dog patients and my own dog as well. All right, so the hardest part about moxa is lighting it. This is not smokeless. There is a smokeless form. I don't like using it because it is so hard to light. It's very effective, but it takes an act of God for me to light it. So I just use the one that smells like we're doing bong hits, which displeases my coworkers. All right, so you just hold it up like you're lighting a cigar. All right, and you wait till you catch a little bit of a flame. And then you blow on it. See that? Okay. Now I'm not going to bring this in the house and show you how to use it, but what you would do on certain points, I do not recommend that you do it on your hand, but let me show you. Say I wanted to do an elbow point. Okay, I would not touch the point. I would just hold it over and kind of circle it or do like a pinpointy thing here until the patient or I feel warmth. And then this feels really good at the bottom of your feet if you're cold all the time in the morning, or the point stomach 36, which I will show you in a different video because my sun porch here is starting to smell like the gnomes are smoking bong hits as well. Now to put this out, you can just put it in sand. Don't put it under a faucet, all right? Just put it in sand or dried rice. Or if you have a little moxa thing, I forget what it's called, that you can put it out with, you can do that. But most people don't have those when I send them home with this. Don't wet it, and then you can reuse this, okay? You may want to light some incense after you use it so your house doesn't smell, or open some windows. And like I said, this is really effective for those people who are always cold, especially in the winter with arthritis or neuropathy made worse by cold, breached babies, heavy menses, all kinds of things like that. It's a lovely old ancient Chinese medicinal way of adding warmth to your body. I use it more in the winter time, and it works for me. So happy moxaing. Thanks so much, and ask your acupuncturist all about this and ask them to show you which points are most effective for you. And you can get Moxa sticks on even Amazon now, and or just ask your acupuncturist for a stick of it. All right. Have a wonderful day. Sending love and light.